A billionaire says that in 4 years, 80% of today's jobs will disappear. And this person isn't just anyone. Vinod Khosla, one of OpenAI's early investors. His claim is clear. From 2030 onwards, AI and robots will be able to perform 80% of existing jobs. This encompasses the entire $15 trillion of labor-intensive production in the U.S. This prediction isn't just speculation. There's real data to support it. A study this year showed that 11.7% of the U.S. workforce could already be automated with today's technology. That's equivalent to $1.2 trillion in wages. Globally, the estimates are even larger. 300 million full-time jobs are projected to be automated, with between 92 and 270 million potentially completely replaced by 2030. Even today, there are signs of this. 23.5% of American companies say they have already replaced their employees with AI tools. Just last year, over 54,000 people were laid off, with artificial intelligence being cited as the direct cause. There's an important detail here. Much of this change is coming not from physical robots, but from software running behind screens. 44% of automated work hours are software-driven, while physical robots account for only 13%. So when we say robots are coming, we're actually mostly talking about something invisible. The most striking part of Khosla's prediction is not so much about job loss, but about its impact on prices. According to him, this change will significantly lower prices. He claims that by 2040, something you buy for $100,000 today will cost between $10,000 and $30,000. As labor costs fall, production costs also collapse. But the picture isn't entirely bleak, and it's worth adding that while some companies are using AI as a tool for layoffs, others are using it for growth, increasing their workforce. And some American workers are even switching to such companies to escape this uncertainty. The difference is significant even across professions. While job postings in fields like engineering have decreased by 2 to 2.5%, those in professions requiring human judgment, such as law, have increased by 6.4%. In conclusion, the real question isn't, will AI eliminate jobs? The real question is, does your job require human judgment, or are it repetitive, predictable tasks? Whichever answer you lean towards will determine where you stand in the next decade. Stay asset.